Hello students, today we have to start here the new chapter, that is indices and cube roots. Okay, so we will start here. Meaning of first point is what? Meaning of numbers with a rational indices. So what is meant by indices? First recall the concepts. When we talk about 2 raised to 2, what is this? This is the 2 square, that is 4, or 3 square, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. Similarly, we have to calculate 2 cube or 2 raised to 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2, that is what? 8. So this is what? This is the power, or we can call it as an index. Okay, we can call it as a indices or index. So whatever the index, we have to discuss in these three examples. The index is what? The index is the number which is not a rational. Rational number means what? It is in the P upon Q form. So our first point is what? We have to discuss here the index with the rational number. Rational index is in the rational form. That means this is the basic one. That means when we talk about 2 raised to 1 upon 2, okay, 2 raised to 1 upon 3. So these are what? This index is in the form of rational number. Okay, so we have to talk about this one. Okay, so first is what? Meaning of numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. What is 1 upon n? Numerator is 1 and denominator is n. That means n is what? Any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, and so on, like this. Correct? But in numerator there is a 1 is fixed here. Clear? Just change the value of the denominator. Okay, so what is this? This is the first case. Let us see the meaning of indices is in the form of rational numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, and up to 1 upon n. We will discuss here only. Clear? Now, first thing is what? To show the square of number. How to show the square of number? The index is what? Written as 2. Okay, like we have to write here. First example, just see here, a square. Second, 20 square. Then 3 square, 5 square. That means this part is indicated as index. Okay, so index is written as what? Written as the 2. When we talk about the square, what is the index? Index is 2. Clear? Yes. Then next concept is how to show the square root of a number. Square root of a number. Okay. When we talk about the square root of a number, the index is what? Index is the 1 upon 2. Okay. Index is 1 upon 2. And how to write this? Suppose a is the number and we have to take the square root of a. Then how to write? By using this symbol. This is what? This symbol is what? It is called as a radical sign or square root. We have to call it as square root here or radical sign. And we have to put here the given number. Okay, so square root a or a square root. For example, 25, square root of 25. This square root is also written as 25 1 upon 2. Okay, instead of the square root or instead of this sign, we have to put 1 upon 2. Okay, so understand this one, 25 raised to 1 upon 2, or it is written as like this, square root of 2. It is also written like this. Clear? So note that this is very important, that is square root of 2 is a is equal to, this is also equal to square root of a is equal to a raised to 1 upon 2. These three terms are equal to each other. Okay, understand this one? Now next we have to discuss here, that is how to find out the cube roots or cubes. So to show the cube of number, okay, to show what? To show the cube of number. So what is the index of this one? That is 3. When we calculate the cube, like 2, when we calculate the cube root of this 2, then we have to write down at the power of this 2 is what? 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. That means it is 8. So this is what? This is the cube of 2. Okay. So index is 3. Power is always 3. For example, a cube, second 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube. That means each and every number have power 3. Then we can say that cube index of this one is what? Cube, for cube index is 3. Understand? Now next, to show the cube root of number. Okay, to show what? To show the cube root of number. We have to already seen that square root. For square root we have to use this sign, or we have to write as like this, okay, or we have to write the, suppose here a, then we have to take it as 1 upon 2. That means when we talk about the square root, we have to write like this, okay. When we have to write the cube root, okay, then their index is what? 1 upon 3. Their index is what? 1 upon 3. Like suppose I want to calculate the cube root of 3. That means we have to take 3 and in power, that is we have to write down 1 upon 3. Clear? So just we will see here one by one. Cube root of a. When we talk about the cube root of a, then how to write it? Like this. Square root, here is 3 and a. This is also equal to what? A raised to 1 upon 3. When we talk about the cube root, okay, how to write? A, then here is 3 is equal to a 1 upon 3. Okay, you can write like this or like this. Clear? Then for example, 4 cube, okay, 4 raised to 3. That means we have to multiply 4 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4. When we multiply this one, what we get here? That is 64. Clear? So now we can write it as 4 raised to 3 or 4 cube is equal to 63. That means it is the cube of 4. What is this one? This one is the cube of 64 is the cube of 4. Then cube root. When we talk about the cube root of 64, okay, listen. 4 cube is what? 64. Then 64 cube root is equal to what? 4. Like this. Clear? So cube root of 64, how to write this? Okay, cube root, put the root sign here, then here 3, then 64 write down here, and then it is also written as 64 raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 4. Understand this one? This is the cube root. Now we will discuss here one more concept, this example. Okay, listen here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how many times 3 multiply here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 3 is multiplied 5 times. So how to write this? 3 in power, write down 5. Why 5? Because 3 is multiplied by 5 times. Okay. Then what is the result here? That is when we multiply 3 5 times, then we get here what? 243. Okay. So how to call it or how? Then fifth power of 3. Okay. Fifth power of 3 is what? 243. Conversely, means opposite of this one, fifth root of 243 is expressed as this one. Okay. 243 raised to 1 upon 5. Or it is also written as like this. Root 5 243. That means 243 1 upon 5 is equal to 3. Okay. Likewise, suppose I want to write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. That means this 2 is repeated how many times? 4 times. So 2 raised to 4. So what is the answer here? 2 into 2 4 into 2 4 4 4 is 16. So 16. Clear? Then we can write it as 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Okay. So when we talk about root 16 4 is equal to what? 16 raised to 1 upon 4 is equal to 2. So like this you have to do this one. This is the sample examples actually. When we solve exactly questions from your practice set, then it is clearly to understand. Okay. So what is the note here? That means nth root of a is expressed as a raised to 1 upon n. Okay. Like this. For example, 128 raised to 1 upon 7. This expresses what? 7th root of 1 to 8. Okay. Similarly, 901 upon 12 is represented as 12th root of 900. Okay. Just tell me, suppose I want to write a third example like 401 upon 16. Then how to represent this? That is 16th root of, how to write? 16th root of 400. Correct. So now next last one more note is there, that is if 10 raised to 5 is equal to x, then x raised to 5 is equal to 10. This is very simple actually. Listen. When we talk about 10 raised to 5 is equal to x. So what is the power of this one? Or then we can write it as x raised to 5 is equal to 10. Simply you have to learn this step. Clear? It is very simple. So up to this point we have to clear the basic concepts related to the indices and cube roots. Now in next video we will discuss about the practice set which is based on these concepts. So thank you students. I hope you have to understand this one. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.